Good morning. I logged in this morning and Rhythmic was down, so I ended up trading my personal account on stream. No copy trading or anything like that, just a one account. Put me in kind of a weird mood when Rhythmic's down, and then markets were just kind of being a little weird. So overall, small day, nothing too crazy. We're gonna go and recap that now. Sit back and enjoy. All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Rhythmic is currently down. I have my personal account up, currently going through Teton data. I fired in a little test order, make sure everything was Gucci and it wasn't a Sierra chart problem, which is why I see minus 10. If you're not connecting, that's why. Or if it's stuck in connecting mode, I should say. It's kind of bad juju, I'll be honest. I hate when that happens. It's just sketchy. So markets are open. We got, I'm not sure how long I'll stick around today. Part of me is thinking that this is a good opportunity to film some videos instead. We got news. 9 o'clock, we got consumer confidence and new home sales. Should move us probably a little bit. Got a wick test firing up at 420 or so. Overnight highs up at 450 or just under 450. Yesterday's close and yesterday's value are high, 375. We cracked 375 and VWAP 365, a little 10-point goodness there. Then we're looking at 340s, 320s, and the overnight lows at 290. If we can catch some legs and not reject 420 at the wick test here, and instead get through 430s, and we're looking at the overnight highs and higher. News at 9. I think that was the only news, right? I actually don't think I looked at the rest of the stuff. Yeah, that's the only news is consumer confidence and home sales at 9, and then you got 2-year notes at noon, and then more executive orders getting signed at 1 o'clock. All right, nice push, nice slap off of news, coming back down into VWAP and yesterday's close and yesterday's value area high. Could be an interesting snap at 80, 75, 80. Kind of got to let it open up though, because you kind of think that we just run the lows also. I don't know. Could be good for 10. Might also just sweep right through it and go crack into 50. Or point of control, for that matter. 05. Something like that. That was instant. Literally instant. Did not give a flying about point of control. A little doji. Honestly, 50% retrace of that would be a pretty interesting sell. But again, we have liquidity a little higher. Delta's kind of falling off a little bit. 50% retrace. Man, Delta's having kind of a hard time up here. Could be an interesting play, right? Kind of stuff I still like. I think I do. With Delta being like this. Short one. I do like it into 420. I honestly like it as a top of the range, kind of revert to the mean sort of situation. Down to like point of control, but I mean, that's a big boy trade. I don't think I actually will hold it for that. I'm gonna go and move that break even. But down to C, just because we're at the top of the range. We've been ranging for the most part so far this session. So we'll see if we can get down to the low 420s or crack it into 400s, point of control. Yeah, probably get stopped out. We still got some juice higher at the overnight highs. It feels like the overnight highs are probably still calling us in. Did I ever get full 10 points there? 34, 75, 34, 20. Yeah, I would have gotten 10 points, I guess. If I left it on for the base hit. I'm curious what happens here. I think I should get stopped out, but I like the idea of us rotating back down. But I think I get stopped out. Maybe they clear out the highs once and then we rotate it. I don't know. No way to know. But Delta's having a hard time, which is why I'm trying to leave it open. At the top of the range. Stopped out. Would have gotten a full 10 points. Should have taken a base hit, I guess. Hindsight, right? Especially with the liquidity higher. I don't know. I'm not really enjoying this. I'm going to call it. Just feels kind of like draining emotional capital for kind of no reason to sit around here.